In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the eToro virtual account. This feature is a fantastic way to practice trading without any financial risk. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your eToro account. This is the main hub where all your trading activities take place. Use your usual credentials to access the platform. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the main dashboard. Now look for the icon that says Switch to Virtual. This is typically located in the menu at the top of your screen. Clicking this icon is crucial because it toggles your account from real money to virtual mode. When you switch to a virtual account, it allows you to hone your trading skills using fake funds. This is important as it ensures your real money remains untouched while you're learning. Once that is done, you'll want to search for an asset to trade. This could be anything from stocks to ETFs to cryptocurrencies. You can do this by using the search bar located at the top of the screen. Simply type in the name or ticker symbol of the asset you're interested in. This step is essential as it familiarizes you with the market and the various instruments available. After you have found the asset you want to engage with, the next step is to click on Trade. This opens up a trading window where you can set the parameters of your transaction. Here you'll enter the amount you wish to invest. Remember, you're using virtual money, so feel free to experiment. This step is critical because it mirrors real-life trading conditions, providing a safe environment to test your strategies. Next up, it's time to monitor your positions. Navigate to the portfolio section to see how your trades are performing. This is your personal dashboard where you can track all your virtual investments. Monitoring your positions is important as it helps you understand market movements and how your decisions impact potential gains or losses. At this point, you might want to switch back to your real portfolio to return to your live account. To do this, simply click on the Switch to Real option, usually found in the same menu as the virtual switch. Switching back is seamless and allows you to manage your actual funds with ease. Remember, using the eToro virtual account, you're practicing trading with virtual money only. The virtual account is a sandbox environment, which means profits and losses are not real and cannot be withdrawn. This gives you the freedom to experiment without the fear of losing real money, which can be a huge relief for beginners. Every eToro account comes with $100,000 in virtual funds automatically. This generous amount provides ample opportunity to explore and practice different trading strategies. Getting comfortable with these fake funds ensures that when you switch to real money, you're more prepared and confident in your trading decisions. Finally, it's crucial to understand that your real account balance is not affected by virtual trades. This separation of real and virtual funds is designed to protect your investments and give you peace of mind. You can focus on learning, knowing your actual finances are safe. With that ready, you now have a comprehensive understanding of how to use the eToro virtual account. Practice, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the learning process. Thank you for watching and happy trading.